Hey sewing superstars, welcome back to the channel where we make cute and functional accessories, one stitch at a time. Today we're tackling an epic little project that's perfect for keeping your essentials organized. A DIY card holder and keychain combo. It's small but mighty and it can hold at least 6 cards, some cash, maybe a coin or two, and it's got a built-in keyring. Handy, right? Oh, I forgot to add. It's beginner friendly. Yes, you heard that correctly, beginner friendly. So grab yourself a cup of coffee or tea if you're feeling fancy like I am, and let's dive into this fun and quick project. So here is what you need for this project. You need fabric for the main body. You need two pieces, one for the exterior and one for the lining. Then you need fabric for the ring connector. A scrap will do, but make sure it matches your vibe, or the exterior or the lining. Then you need a key ring or any ring of your choice. No reason to go wild here. Just a plain keyring like I have here will do. And then other tools that you need: your scissors, fabric marker, ruler, and your sewing machine, of course. Okay, now that we've got everything, let's get started. First, we're going to be tapering the top of our um main body, exterior, and lining pieces. Um, so what does taper really mean? It means we're going to make the top edge a little narrower so our card holder has a sleek, polished shape. Fancy, right? So what we're doing now is we're measuring 1 inch down on both sides of the top edge, and then we're also measuring 1 inch from the sides, and then we're going to draw a diagonal line from those marks to the top corners. So as soon as we're done, we're going to be cutting along those lines. Don't be scared, just commit to the snip. Yeah, that's it. And the top edge of our main body is now tapered. Now we're going to be grabbing our connector piece, or what we call our ring connector. We're going to lay this on the wrong side. Make sure the wrong side is facing you, and you're going to be drawing a line in the center along the length. What we're doing is because we want to fold this in four. So we're going to be folding the raw edges towards the center. And to make this neater, we're using our double-sided tape. So I'm applying my double-sided tape to both sides of the line that I just drew. Remove the backing of the tape, and then you're going to be folding the raw edges towards the center. When you're done doing this, you're going to fold again, and then you clip in place. And we're now going to be top stitching down the open side to hold it all together, and also the folded side as well. Now I'm going to position the connector 1 inch up from the bottom right corner of our exterior piece. Remember, the top piece is tapered already, while the bottom piece is just flat, the way it has always been. We're going to fold this ring connector along, fold in half. You're not going to fold in it around your key ring, but if you're using just any other ring, you have to do that right now. Fold it up. But if you're using a key ring, then just do like I just did. You're going to position that connector 1 inch up from the bottom right, and you're going to baste in place. Then next, we're going to be putting everything together. So make sure you have fused your fusible fleece to the wrong side of your exterior fabric. Please don't forget that if you want. But this really depends on the kind of exterior fabric that you're using. The fleece just gives your card holder some structure. That's all. So you're going to be grabbing your lining piece like I just did. Place it right side together with the exterior. Clip or pin them together. No one likes runaway fabric while sewing. And don't forget, clips are your best friend here, especially if you are working with thicker fabric. So we're going to be sewing around the edges with a thread of 1 inch seam allowance, but don't sew all the way around. You will be leaving a 3 inch gap on the bottom edge of the panel. So that will be our magic hole for turning it right side out later. So make sure you take it slow around the corners. No one wants wonky stitches. And don't forget to back stitch at the start and end of your seam to lock everything in place. So now that we are done doing that, now comes the moment of truth. We are going to be turning our card holder right side out. But before then, we're going to trim our seam allowance to about 1/4 inch from the edge. Make sure you do not cut into your seams. Then next, you're going to reach into that 3-inch gap. Gently pull your fabric through. Be patient. It's just like convincing your cats to come out from under the couch. So once this is turned out, the right side, use a chopstick, a pencil, or the blunt end of your scissors to poke out the corners. Remember, put corners is equal to professional looking card holder. Now we're going to be closing up that gap. Tuck in the raw edges, clip in place, and sew a small top stitch across the gap. Lastly, it's time to fold our card holder. You're going to measure 5.5 inches from the bottom on both sides of your card holder or whatever you just turned out. And you're going to be folding the bottom edge to meet this mark. Then you clip in place. So you're going to be clipping this all around. Clip, clip, clip all the way around. So when clipping is done, we're going to taking this to the sewing machine to top stitch all the way around. But mind you, you're not going to be top stitching the bottom, the folded bottom edge this time around. So you're going to top stitch the left side to the tapered top edge and then to the right side. And then we're done. Yeah, our card holder is almost ready. Lastly, it's time to install the snap buttons. So to install the snap buttons, what I just did was I put in my cards. As you can see, it's both cards. I'm sure you should try some more cards, you might even go in. And then even a few notes. Okay, so I'm just putting what I would likely be putting there most of the time so that I can get the position for the snap buttons. So I'm going to be installing the male parts of the snap buttons first. Make sure you follow the instructions for your snap too. Usually it's just a matter of punching holes and pressing the snaps in place. One snap for the top flap and you're golden. Just follow the instructions for your snap too. And then we're going to be installing. So like I said, we're going to first be installing the male parts of the snap tools. I'm going to have to find the position for the male buttons. You'll notice that I'm using 2 buttons for mine. We can go ahead to just use one. I just like to be extra. That's why I'm doing extra. So if you know you're not extra like me, just go ahead to use one in the middle and you'll be fine. Then as soon as you're done with this, you're going to use the male buttons position to get the positioning for the female buttons. So and now that I've gotten the female button position, I don't need to leave the cards or whatever the contents of the card would I had to take them out so that I could do whatever I wanted to do at this point. If at this point you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any of my crafty shenanigans. As you can see, I'm on the second female button installation. Make sure you get your positioning right so that your card holder does not come out looking funny. And voila, look at this little cutie. It's small but mighty. Cards, cash, coins, keys, it can hold it all. And there you have it, guys, your own very own card holder and keychain combo that's practical, stylish, and made with love. It's perfect for gifting or keeping for yourself. Don't worry, I won't judge you because I kept this for myself. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and share it with your crafty friends. Drop a comment below to let me know what you'll be making next. Also, if you're proud of your creations, tag me on Instagram. I love seeing your projects. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun and easy sewing tutorials. Until next time, happy sewing and stay creative. Bye.